wherever we are, we didn't make it. We didn't make ourselves like this. Because we are conditioned souls. We don't have any interest in God. Interest in God, attraction to God, faith in God, devotion to God, it's a gift. It's like some people may come, they want to be your friend. But and they say, oh, I want to be your friend, or whatever, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. But they may say, I want, but unless you give your friendship to them, they don't become your friend. So many people are saying God, God, God. But God doesn't, or Bhagavan, whomever, He doesn't give Himself to everyone. He sees. He's selective. Do you have devotion? Do you really genuine? Are you sincere? You see in the entire world there's 5-6 billion people. How many are bhaktas? How many have the idea of surrender? How many humans on the planet have the idea that I should live a life in service of God? All right, maybe I have my material desires for nice things or whatever. We all may have. But that's part of me. But if I do percentage-wise, the biggest part of me is I want to serve God selflessly.